Come behind the scenes and let me show you how I film a UGC video for my own digital product and how you can too. I'm breaking down the entire process. My exact UGC script, my phone setup and settings, screen recording process, and editing workflow. You don't need any fancy equipment, just your phone. If you missed it, I built an AI tool that writes Etsy listings in minutes. What's up?
So like the Etsy thing.
Boy, I'm in the middle of recording.
Oh, you said what's up?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Hey, today I'm showing you how I actually create the UGC videos to sell it. Plus, we'll do a couple of different versions to see which one works best. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow. Okay, let's go from camera settings to final edit. Using my AI Etsy tool as an example, but it works for any digital product. Let's start out with our phone settings. So we definitely want to make sure we record in 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080 at 60 frames per second. And enhanced stabilization needs to be on. HDR video, make sure that is turned off. That is so crucial. Have your grid on, level on, mirror front camera off. If you ever have to record with the front camera, you are showing it and the product is actually not mirror styled, but it's facing forward. So it looks like it actually looks. And turn off view outside frame. So make sure that you record as requested. Now let's talk about your space. Nearly every UGC creator shows the beauty in front of them, but you don't see the mess around us. So don't overthink it, but here's what you'll need. You want to have a clean area or no clutter. Well, at least that's seen on camera. And you want a neutral background and natural window light. You may even have to record in different spaces as the sun changes, so you are maximizing on your light. You don't want any overhead fans or running lights. Doors closed. Check your mirrors for reflections. So first, let's write your script. You want to write it to the desired length. Then you get the brand approval if needed for the script, unless they give it to you. Then you plan your shots and prepare the talking point. Now, if you're working with brands, never film before script approval. Okay, yay. Now it's time to actually create the script. I'm over here in Notion and we are going to get started with the script. The first thing you want to do is start with the hook and then the problem. Your hook should relate to your actual target audience. So you want to start out with Etsy sellers. I almost deleted my account last month because I couldn't crack the algorithm. This is talking to the camera. And the next ones here will be in voiceover. Next, we want to work on our feature translation. So here's the key to digital products. You don't want to just list features. You want to translate them into benefits. Instead of saying this tool generates SEO descriptions, you'll want to say it instantly creates SEO optimized descriptions, strategic titles that actually rank. All 13 tags perfectly chosen. So then we want to have proof through the process. You want to show the dashboard or interface or actually using the product. Always include screen recordings for digital products because people need to see their interface. Okay. And then we need to overcome doubts. So say, for example, if it was complicated, you'll want to show that it's user friendly. Or if someone was wondering if it'll work for me, you want to demonstrate different use cases. Or in our case, we say, what took me 2 hours now takes 2 minutes. And then, of course, you want a clear call to action. So here I am talking directly to the camera and I'm saying, don't wait like I did. Try your first listings for free. The link is in the bio. And there you have it. Now let's take a look at the final video. Etsy sellers. I almost deleted my account last month because I couldn't crack the algorithm. Until another seller showed me this AI tool that completely changed my game. Watch this. Just type in your basic information and it instantly creates SEO optimized descriptions, strategic title that actually rank. All 13 tags perfectly chosen. The best part, what took me 2 hours now takes me 2 minutes. My views literally doubled in the first week. Don't wait like I did. Try your first listings for free. The link is in the bio. Okay, so let me show you how I film this. The key to selling digital products It's to show it in action. Here's how I record my screen. Clean up your desktop, phone, or iPad, whatever you're using. Show the AI tool generating it in real time and highlight the key features. So here's what I'm going to do. Show myself in different places, showing my emotion with being frustrated, open up the Etsy tool and generate it in real time and highlight the key features. And of course, I'm going to speed up the boring parts, but keep the wow moments in real time. I'm going to add in some unique and fun edits. Otherwise, I would do a layer with a talking head over a screen recording. I'm going to add the captions and speed up certain sections. I use CapCut because it's free and easy, but you will want to go with a pro. So here's your shooting sequence. B-roll first, screen recordings, product descriptions, click-through footage, result screenshots, then the main content. So the hook shots, talking head segments, transition moments, call to action. In here learning something new because my editor normally does this. Here's how you do the phone screen effect. Now first, I find the exact spot where I want the phone screen mock-up. Then I click overlay. Now once I find the video for the overlay, I will trim it to the desired length. Then I'll speed it up to the clip to fit the segment. I have to watch it over again sometimes so I can set it at a decent speed where I can speed it up a little bit more. Watch how it creates a fully optimized listing in less than a minute. So next I'm going to click the sticker icon and search for phone screen and select a screen I like. My views went from 50. I'm going to resize the phone screen, outline it to fit the size of the overlay I added. And zoom in and zoom out to adjust the fit. I'm going to resize the phone screen. Watch how it creates a fully optimized listing in less than a minute. Next is volume. I turned down the audio so it's not too low, but you kind of have to play with it a little bit. The first time it was a little low, so I pulled it up a little, and here's the final result of that video. I used to spend 2 hours writing each Etsy listing. Between keywords, writing descriptions, finding tags, it was taking forever. But this AI tool gave me my time back. Watch how it creates a fully optimized listing in less than a minute. My views went from 50 to 200 a day. Check it out and get your first 3 listings without even adding your email. This first video is in landscape. The next ones are for short form. You want to try the AI tool yourself? The link is in the description. Plus, I've got something extra special for you. In the next video, I'll show you how to scale UGC videos with AI. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it.